And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Andrew Chung.
Welcome back, everyone. Again, another round of that scorching, roasting heat. The case for today, and very, very quiet, sadly, on the radar. It should be mostly quiet for tonight. There may be an isolated shower in the northern rangelands overnight, but otherwise it stays dry for our Sunday night. And talk about a very hot start to the Sunday evening. 102 right now in McAllen, 101 in Rio Grande City, and in Edinburgh. We're in the mid-90s in Harlingen, Brownsville, and Raymondville, and lower 90s in Port Isabel. When you factor that humidity into the air temperature, it feels like, wow, 116 in Rio Grande City, 113 in McAllen, heat index of 107 in Harlingen, and 109 in Port Isabel. In addition, it's been a breezy Sunday afternoon and evening. Winds are out of the south to southeast between 20 to 26 miles an hour. Look at the gusts, folks. 38-mile-per-hour gusts in Port Isabel, 33 in McAllen, and 33 in Brownsville. Not a bad afternoon to fly that kite. Here's that evening planner forecast. We'll start off hot and breezy. No surprise at 7 o'clock this evening with temperatures in the lower 90s, mid-80s at 9 p.m. Partly cloudy skies and still breezy. And overnight tonight, those winds will start to come down. The temperatures are in the lower 80s at 11 o'clock tonight, mainly dry and partly cloudy skies. We're tracking the tropics here at Channel 5. If you joined us yesterday evening, we were talking about this tropical wave, this area of low pressure in the central Caribbean Sea, which had a good chance of development. It is not officially a tropical depression or storm yet, but the National Hurricane Center is calling it potential tropical cyclone 7. And they're doing that because they think there's potential for a hurricane force or tropical storm conditions for land areas in Central America within the next 48 hours. So right now, they're calling it potential tropical cyclone 7. It has maximum winds of 35 miles per hour. It's just off the coast of Honduras, and it's moving to the west-northwest at 12 miles an hour. Here's that forecast track. It takes this potential system over the Yucatan Peninsula and then into the Bay of Campeche, and right now as it stands would be somewhere perhaps toward Tampico, Mexico, but keep in mind this forecast is very much subject to change. We'll talk about what this means here for the valley. We're going to keep the rain chances small at this point, and in any case it will stay hot for tomorrow into Tuesday and Wednesday with high temperatures in the triple digits tomorrow and Tuesday. Now, as a potential system gets close to the coast of Mexico, the forecast does hold. We think it will still stay south, well south of the valley, but there is still a possibility that some of that moisture, some of the tropical moisture associated with this potential tropical system could still work its way into the valley. So at this point, we're going to call for about a 20 to 30% chance of rain on Wednesday here in the valley, followed by a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms Thursday, and then the rain chances start to taper off Friday as the potential system moves inland. Again, this is all subject to change, so keep it tuned to Channel 5. Mainly dry for tomorrow, mainly dry on Tuesday, and we'll put in a 20% chance or 30% chance of some showers and thunderstorms for your Wednesday. On the water, small craft should use caution in the Gulf. We'll have winds out of the south to southeast at 10 to 20 knots. Bay waters are moderate chop tonight, then choppy for your Monday. Next tide's a low tide at 9:06 this evening. So for tonight, warm and muggy and breezy with a low temperature of 80. Hot once again and breezy. For tomorrow, mostly sunny with a high temperature of 100. Here's that 7-day forecast. Mainly dry tomorrow and Tuesday. 20 to 30% chance of rain Wednesday. At this point, a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms Thursday, 30% for Friday. That's